Well, hello everyone, it's Donna. So I ended up getting my dress finished, and I'm kind of happy that I did. It's taken me way too long to get this thing done, but that's the story of my life. Anyway, so as you can see, I selected the buttons. They probably look a little bit better matched on the screen than they do in person. But overall, I mean, if you get up close to it, you do see that color in there. It kind of brings out more of the red in there. I don't know if you'd seen any of the little, oops, hold on. I don't know if you'd seen any of the little clips of me making this, but I accidentally put the collar on out of order, and it left me with a kind of a mess. And I had one point that you could actually kind of, I mean, it was just screwed up. So in order to fix it, or as covered up as best I can for the photographs, I have a earring here, using it as a brooch. So, and I don't know how many of you might have worn brooches on your shirts, your scarves, your jackets, uh, but they were a thing back in the day anyway. Um, Hold on a second. Let me turn her sideways. So here she is from the side. You can see that it actually accentuates her curve right above her derriere. Um, the princess seams are actually sewn with the 1/4 inch that they're called for. The only modification I really made was the side seam here. I sewed it uh, a 1/2 inch, or like a scant 1/2 inch, maybe, uh, 5/8, no, 3/8 maybe. I don't know, a little bit more than 3/8. And then I actually sewed it up higher here. I kind of guesstimated, and it looked really good, fit for her. So I did it. I marked it on the other arm to measure the same, and I did it on the other arm as well. But I just kind of wanted to give you an update. Oh, let me show you the actual pattern. This is the actual pattern that was used. I don't know if it's going by the S0668 or the 8071 now. It's gone by both. It may be going by a different one now. But this is the pattern that was used, and I made this one right here. I think this could probably be modified to work with a smart doll. I don't know. I don't own a smart doll, but I don't think the measurements are really that far off. You might be, if you know how to modify, you might be able to even modify it for a pear doll if you wanted to. Some of the other 60 centimeter dolls, they might work as well, but I think it's a good pattern, and I think it can be used to make a coat very easily for the girls. Anyway, I was going to say that she was going to be a teacher, but my husband said with that plunging neckline that she looked more like the naughty librarian. So that's what she is. She's the naughty librarian. So she probably works at a university instead of a high school or a junior high or anything. Anyway, so hope you are having a great day, and we will talk to you later. Bye.